Before we start this review, do not be alarmed if you have 3 bolts left over. That's purposeful. Hello little minions, it's me, Beau. We are going to be putting together this chair today. Lots of fun. I do love IKEA, but in this particular case, this is from Amazon. And so these are all the parts. Hopefully you have the same ones. Let's hop right into it. First step is we are going to be putting together the base, all the little wheels right there. And then we are going to be assembling the back of the chair along with the armrests, and just pop the armrests together with the included Allen key, screw those underneath so the entire thing is upside down as you're putting this together. And then you're gonna be putting the little tilty thing underneath the chair, the back rather, or the seat. And then once that is on the bottom of the seat, you flip the whole thing over, you put the headrest on, and wha-bam! The final step. Be sure this lever is on the right-hand side, because once you lock this in, it will be locked in. Under the pressure, it forces itself into position. Now it's locked in. And it's not going anywhere. Oh, that's comfortable. That concludes this wonderful little comfy chair. I do approve, economically priced here on Amazon.com. Took me about 15-20 minutes with some help from my wonderful daughters. If in fact you're looking for an office chair that's super buttery smooth, it's nice and quiet, relatively comfortable, good lumbar support, I would highly recommend this. I'll put the link of this in the description below. My name is Beau. Catch you later.